Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Costa Lima and I'm doing my internship presentation on marriage and family studies. Well, about the questions of my internship, let's go to the first one. How did you find the internship that I did? Well, I'm a foreign student from Portugal and I'm currently working as a coordinator in seminaries and institutes of religion. So what I did is I asked permission to include my current job in my internship, and it was accepted. It was great. Okay. So the second question was, what were your responsibilities in the internship? So my main responsibilities in my current job, which I joined with my internship, is I teach weekly classes, normally institute classes. I supervise the seminary institute programs from my area. I train monthly our teachers, both from institutes and from seminary. And another important thing, I try to help young single adults understand and rely on the teachings of Jesus Christ. And also, I'm normally invited to prepare youth activities that our stakes normally do during the school year of seminary. Okay. So how did you benefit the site you served at? So I believe that I helped enrich the institute classes with my knowledge and experience and the things that I learned during these 5 years of marriage and family studies. I believe that also that I became a better teacher, and I developed many important communication skills that I used. It helped also manage better some conflicts that happen sometimes with students or with teachers. And I also believe that I helped counseling in some relationships, especially among young single adults. Okay. How did I benefit personally from the experience? It was a great experience. I became a better person. I felt more capable of serving others. This degree in marriage and family studies is wonderful, and it goes beyond the walls of only the course contents. But it was a great experience that I could see on my daily working experience with others. I increased also my testimony about the importance of marriage and families, and I try also to pass along this experience to my own family, my children, and also those that I serve and work with. Okay. Describe one important connection between your coursework and what you experienced during your internship. I believe at least 2 points I see connection. One is the doctrine of marriage and family that is included in the doctrinal topics of all the 4 courses of seminary. So it's part of the seminary basis teach about the importance of marriage and family to the students. And in institute we have a manual, Eternal Family, which is part of the one of the 4 cornerstone courses that we have, and it's all around the importance of family and the doctrine of marriage. So I believe that I see here many connections, and I use my experience on the courses to use it on my job, on my relation with others. So would you recommend this experience to other students? Well, my position is a little bit peculiar. As I told, I work for the seminaries and institutes of religion. So I suggest that a younger student that is majoring in marriage and family studies could pursue instead his professional experience in the field that the degree provides, and experience things that will probably increase his capacities and a future job experience. Okay, so it's all on my presentation, and thank you, and bye bye.